Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get free McDonald's rewards points and free food. I've managed to find a working McDonald's promo code glitch that is going to get you tons of free food, and this actually uses and utilizes reward points. You can get 10,000 points, which is more than enough for multiple meals, and I'm going to show you exactly how to go ahead and do this. This is working in 2026 and takes just a few minutes of your time. Before I show you how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always searching for money saving methods and free food glitches for McDonald's. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone, guys. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android. Just open up the internet browser and head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. Now, Crash Coupons is a codes website, and they have hundreds and hundreds of different codes for different things. So use the search bar and navigate your way to the McDonald's page. There is one verified working code, and this promo code is going to get you 9,999 free rewards points. This is definitely the fastest and easiest method to get free food in McDonald's in 2026. Now, I've done this earlier, and it does limit one code per person, because you can see these are limited. So what this is going to do, this is going to find a valid code and allocate you it. So as you can see, it says your code is ready. The code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So if this is your first time on Crash Coupons, you do need to complete a quick verification to unlock your McDonald's rewards points code. But that only takes about 5 minutes, and it is completely free. You just need to complete 2 of the tasks on this screen here. And as I mentioned, they're all free. They're really easy things like mobile applications and surveys. They're really easy. Just follow the instructions, as it says here. Follow the unlock instructions below each app, and this verifies you're not a robot. So yeah, just follow the instructions, complete 2 of those, and it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your McDonald's points code will be fully revealed. So the full code will be shown once you complete the steps, and you can redeem it in the McDonald's rewards app or website. And that, guys, is going to get you 9,999 rewards points for free. And that is the easiest method to get free food in McDonald's in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, let me know, guys, but it is pretty easy. Make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.